Hi, if you run a criminal defense firm or any legal practice and you've ever felt like your marketing is a black hole, a place where money goes in and you're not really sure what comes out, this channel is for you. Maybe you've hired an agency that promised results and all they delivered was confusing reports. Maybe your intake is a mess and you don't know where the leads are falling off. Maybe you're generating cases, but you want more predictable growth and you're not sure how to get there. Well, you have come to the right place. My name's Dave Revere, and I'm the founder and chief strategist at Media Tamer and Legal Tamer, two distinct and very successful marketing and consulting agencies where we build marketing and intake systems specifically for legal firms. I've worked with attorneys across the country. I've seen what works, what wastes money, and what most agencies will never tell you because it's not in their interest. This channel is where I share all of it. Straight talk, no fluff, no gimmicks. Every video on this channel is built around one question. How do attorneys grow more predictably? That means we cover SEO, Google Ads, LSA, GBP, but not in the abstract. We talk about what actually moves the needle for defense firms specifically. We cover intake because the best marketing in the world doesn't matter if your intake is broken. We cover follow-up, systems, and the operational side of growth because a firm that can't convert and retain clients can't scale, no matter how much money they spend on advertising. And every once in a while, I'll share what I'm seeing across the firms that we work with, the patterns, the mistakes, the wins, so you can apply it to your own practice. Here's what I'll commit to you on this channel. I will never give you generic marketing advice that applies to every business on the planet. Everything here is filtered through one lens. Does this work for legal firms? I won't hype things up. I won't pretend tactics are magic. I'll tell you what the realistic expectations are, what the trade-offs are, and what you'd actually need to do to make something work. And I'll be direct. If something is a waste of money, I'm going to say so. If there's a mistake I see firms making over and over, I'm going to name it. That's the deal. If that sounds like content you want more of, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I put out new videos every week, and each one is built to give you something you can actually use. And hey, if you're already dealing with a specific marketing or growth challenge at your firm, drop it in the comments. I read them. And your next question might just become my next video.